Okay, good morning, friends. Let's start today. So again, I can see very few students are there. Only 41 students have joined so far. So all you people may ask your friends if they have not joined, ask them to join immediately. So today we people are going to discuss about question bank. So all should be there. Okay, all right. So immediately I will share the screen. You people just let me know if my voice is audible to you people.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Okay. Just 1 minute. So when is our communication skills unit test? Or have you attempted?
सर नाहीच दिली.
नाही सर.
नव्हतीच सर टेस्ट आपली.
नव्हतीच ना? मला जे शेड्यूल दिलेलं होतं बघा, ह्या तारखेला हे, दुसऱ्या तारखेला ते असं, आणि त्यामध्ये कम्युनिकेशन स्किल साठी देर वॉज नो टेस्ट ना?
नो सर.
नो सर.
Okay, fine. So still, जरी असेल तरी सुद्धा we people are going to discuss that question bank. In that study material sheet, you people, if you come to communication skills tab, CS tab, you'll get additional material. In additional material, first is that notes, which is of unit number 1. Then in second, there is ISC 1 sample paper. So whenever there will be ISC, you people have to refer these documents. You have to study it accordingly. You people have to prepare it, because see, we are getting very short time, and within that short time we are not able to complete all the points. So therefore, what I am going to do today I am going to discuss this question bank only, and accordingly we people will prepare. जर असली युनिट टेस्ट तर ही क्वेश्चन बँक प्रिपेअर करायची. ISC साठी तर ऑलरेडी आहेच, पण जरी समजा आपण नाही कव्हर करू शकलो तर प्रिपोजिशन आणि कंजंक्शन स्टील वी पीपल हॅव नॉट कम्प्लिटेड, आणि म्हणून आपण घेतले जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ना, ते क्वेश्चन्स वी पीपल विल डिस्कस ओनली. Okay, I hope that screen is visible, and तुम्ही screen you can zoom in so that it will be visible properly. तुमचे मोबाईलचे स्क्रीन झूम इन करू शकता तुम्ही, म्हणजे तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित दिसू शकेल. So first question, it will be based on articles. We people have done with articles, okay, and here I'm going to ask you people that why you people are going to mark such answers. Already answers are there. So let's begin. Question says, complete the following sentences by using the suitable articles a, or, and the. Okay, and here you people have to think that here questions we people are discussing, they are of the fill in the blanks, but actually if you are going to solve the test, so that time those questions they will be of MCQ. So you people will get options a, and, the, and no article. These will be 4 options. So out of that you people have to choose which you are going to select correctly. Okay, so let's try to see first one. I bought dash new mobile. Already answers are given, a new mobile, but now I have question for you. Why you people are going to choose a? Why not and? Why not the? And you people will tell me.
This is consonant.
Yes, this is consonant sound. न is consonant sound. It shows numerical sense of one. म्हणजे मी किती मोबाईल विकत घेतलाय? एक मोबाईल विकत घेतलाय. To show that you people are using a, so it's why it is a new mobile and not the new mobile. Then next, second one, Suresh is dash good painter. Here also you people have to understand that in Marathi you call it Suresh हा एक चांगला पेंटर आहे. So हा एक जो म्हणतो ना आपण, हा एक चांगला पेंटर आहे. फॉर दॅट वी पीपल नीड टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट आर्टिकल अ इज गोइंग टू कन्वे दॅट व्हॉट यू आर गोइंग टू से की सुरेश हा एक चांगला पेंटर आहे. फॉर दॅट वी पीपल आर युझिंग आर्टिकल अ हिअर ऑल्सो. अँड ऑलरेडी पीपल हॅव टोल्ड मी दॅट like this G sound, G sound is also of consonant, so you cannot use and you cannot use the as well. Then next, number 3, most of the people in this village are honest. So article the is used. So you people will tell me, we people are used here the, and the reason behind that, we people have used here most. Okay, and for most, we people have to consider its format. Degree, which degree? Much more,
Superlative.
most. Superlative.
Superlative.
So whenever it begins with most of, कुठेही असू द्या, फक्त याच वाक्यामध्ये नाहीये, whenever you will come across with most of, after most of, which article you people will use generally and usually, it will be the.
The.
Okay, so most of the ही फ्रेजच आहे, लक्षात ठेवायचं. most of most of and असं काही येत नाही, तर most of the असंच नेहमी येत असतं. Okay, then next one is that it says Arjun, sorry, number 4, what beautiful person she is. Okay, so what a beautiful person she is. Why a beautiful b sound? It is consonant, and that's why it is article a and will not come here. Next, number 5, Arjun returned after dash hour. Okay, so now I have a question, why it is not a hour?
Vowel sound.
Vowel
Yes.
sound.
It is vowel sound. Okay, so what is vowel sound? Usually it is beginning with
A,
H.
E, I, O, U.
Yes, A, E, I, O, U, that is vowel sounds. But here our, it begins with H, but H is not pronounced. H is silent. We don't say however, we say R. How to pronounce it? We say it R. We have to pronounce it something like this, R. Okay, and that's why a is vowel sound, and that's why we are going to choose article and. Sorry, and, not a. All you people remember की फक्त H दिसलं म्हणून a hour म्हणायचं नाहीये. It will be an hour. Then next one, number 6, which is dash longest river in India? Here also you tell me the longest river and why.
Superlative for.
Yes,
Superlative
longest,
degree.
long, longer, longest. It is superlative form of adjective, and that's why whenever it will be superlative form, before that you people are going to use definite article the. So longest, hardest, smartest, fastest. Okay, for that you people are going to choose article the, and that's why the longest. Which is the longest river in India? Let's go to the next. Then an umbrella is dash useful thing during rainy season, and you people tell me when we people are using article, or as somebody of you told me, if it is A, E, I, O and U, these are called vowel sounds, and which article we people use? We people use an. So in this case, why it is why it is not an useful thing?
Consonant.
Consonant sound.
It is consonant. Okay, so though it begins with U, but its sound is useful, so it begins with Y. Sound Y is there. Okay, and Y is consonant. Y is not vowel sound, and so therefore we people are saying a useful thing. Okay, all right. Then let's think of next number, number 8. Not everyone gets dash opportunity to become famous. This is very simple. It does not require any explanation, and it is answer is an. And why it is an?
Vowel sound.
Yes.
Vowel sound.
It begins with O and it's vowel sound. Opportunity, when we pronounce it a, it's opportunity, so therefore it is vowel an. Then next number 9, it says my friend is an MA in English. So you people tell me why it is not a, why it is an MA.
Vowel sound.
Again, here when you people pronounce the M, how do you pronounce? Do you pronounce like this? M?
No. A.
Yes, it is A. You people have pronounced M, not M. It is not M, but it is M. And so A is again here vowel sound. And because of that, you people are going to choose and here. Then next, number 10, the time flies as fast as dash eagle. This is a very simple vowel sound E, and that's why an is there, an eagle. Then next, number 11, it says Sanskrit is dash difficult language. It is a difficult language. Why it is a difficult?
Consonant sound.
Yes, it is consonant. Hey, it is something like number 2. Just आपण बघितलं होतं बघा. It is similar to like this. Okay. So number 2. So this example and number 11. This example, they are same. And last one, he is dash efficient employee. Efficient, it is again vowel sound, and you people are going to use article and. So these are 12 examples which are given here. Additionally, you go to the go through the notes which are there, and then you people solve all exercise also there, which is. And if there is any questions, you people may ask me. Article बद्दल कोणाला काय अडचण असेल तर विचारू शकता. एखादा प्रश्न आहे किंवा एखादं कळालं नाहीये असं असेल तरी विचारू शकता, किंवा दुसरं एक्झाम्पल असेल तरी विचारू शकता. आहे का कोणाला काय अडचण? If it is yes, say yes sir, we have problem, difficulty.
10,000 रुपये पाठवलं होतं.
Sudarshan, you're talking irrelevant here. Mute yourself. Okay. So there is no response. It means there is no question, no difficulty, and no doubt.
Sir.
Yes.
Article कधी वापरायचं नाही?
Okay. So when we shouldn't use article. So usually we do not use article before proper noun. Noun शिकलो का आपण?
Yes sir.
So if it is proper noun, we don't use article. For example, my name is Rahul. Okay. So before my name, I don't use article the Rahul. Will it okay to say the Rahul? No. So before proper noun, we don't use article. Okay. Then next, before names of languages. Okay. If it is languages, we don't use article. For example, you tell me one language, any language. Or
English.
Marathi.
English.
Okay, Marathi or English, we'll take both. In this case, we don't say the English. आणि तुम्ही जर द इंग्लिश म्हणला तर त्याचा अर्थ काय होईल? कोण सांगेल मला? आपण अभ्यास केला याचा. द इंग्लिश म्हणलं तर त्याचा अर्थ काय होणार? चुकीचं नाही होणार, पण त्याचा अर्थ वेगळा होणार. द इंग्लिश म्हणता त्यावेळेस इट विल नॉट बी लँग्वेज. द इंग्लिश इट विल बी नॅशनॅलिटी होणार. म्हणजे द इंग्लिश म्हणजे कोण? इंग्लिश पीपल असा, ब्रिटिश पीपल असा होऊ शकतो. द ब्रिटिश ही पण नॅशनॅलिटी आहे. द इंग्लिश म्हणजे इंग्लिश पीपल असा होतो. आणि द मराठी वी कॅनॉट से द मराठी. आणि जर तुम्ही द मराठी म्हटलं तर याचा अर्थ पण मराठी लोक असा होऊ शकतो. सो बिफोर लँग्वेजेस यू पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज आर्टिकल. एनी आर्टिकल, कुठलंच नाहीये, द पण नाहीये आणि कुठलंच नाहीये. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल आय वुड लाईक टू गिव्ह हिअर, दॅट विल बी ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, नेम ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. ओके. So for example, cricket. So before cricket, you don't say I like to play the cricket. So it will be wrong. So I like to play cricket. That will be simply. So any other games also, you people take care. I have just given example of cricket only. So before names of cricket, we people don't use articles. And one more point I would like to add here, that is before material and abstract noun. So material noun in case, for example, any general gold. So we don't say the gold. पण या केस मध्ये काय होतं बघा, जर स्पेसिफिक अर्थाने जर वापरलं असेल ना, तर दॅट टाइम इट कॅन बी युज्ड. म्हणजे जनरल अर्थाने वापरायचं असेल तर नाही वापरलं जात, पण पर्टिक्युलर अर्थाने घ्यायचं असेल तर घेऊ शकता, वापरू शकता. म्हणजे मी तर वापरलं जातच नाही असं नाही म्हणणार आहे. सो गोल्ड इज अ प्रिशियस मेटल. सिम्पली सेंटेन्स मी तुम्हाला जर सांगितलं तर gold is a precious metal. Suppose in this, हे गोल्ड जनरल अर्थाने वापरले की पर्टिक्युलर अर्थाने वापरले सांगा मला.
जनरल.
General. Yes, it is general, and for that we don't use article. But suppose जर मी असं म्हटलं, the gold in the Karnataka mine is of pure quality. So in that case, मी आता हे गोल्ड जनरल अर्थाने वापरले की पर्टिक्युलर अर्थाने वापरतोय. पर्टिक्युलरली कुठल्या गोल्ड बद्दल बोलतो मी, की जे कर्नाटकच्या माइन मध्ये सापडतं ते गोल्ड. सो इन दिस केस द कॅन बी युज्ड. पण हे कसं कधी ठरणार आहे, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द यूज, की मी पर्टिक्युलर अर्थाने वापरणार आहे की जनरल अर्थाने. सो इन दॅट केस मटेरियल नाउनच्या अगोदर वापरलं जाऊ शकतं. कधी, जर पर्टिक्युलर अर्थाने वापरलं तर, आणि जनरल अर्थाने जर वापरलं तर ते वापरायचं नाही. आता नेक्स्ट इज ऍब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑनेस्टी. Honesty, this is abstract noun, so we don't say the honesty. Okay, it will be wrong to say the honesty. Okay, so before these things we people don't use articles. So is it okay? If it is okay, you can take screenshot of this किंवा नोट डाउन करून घ्या कुठेतरी एक 4 पॉइंट्स. प्रॉपर नाउनच्या अगोदर, लँग्वेजेसच्या अगोदर आर्टिकल नाही वापरायचं, स्पोर्ट्सच्या नावांच्या अगोदर आर्टिकल नाही वापरायचं, आणि मटेरियल नाउनच्या अगोदर काय जर जनरल अर्थाने वापरलं तर नाही वापरायचं, आणि पर्टिक्युलर अर्थाने वापरलं असेल तर ते वापरायचं. ऍब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउनच्या अगोदर नाही वापरायचं.
सर क्रिकेटर आलं तर काय वापरायचं?
क्रिकेटर हे ऍडजेक्टिव्ह होतं, सो यू कॅन यूज. जर त्या क्रिकेटरचं नाव जर वापरलं ना पुढं, क्रिकेटर सचिन तेंडुलकर असं म्हटलं ना तर नाही वापरायचं. पण फक्त क्रिकेटर वापरत असाल तर वापरू शकता. ओके
ओके.
अजून कुणाला अडचण आहे का? ओके, इफ नॉट आय विल जस्ट क्लिअर इट. शुड आय क्लिअर करू दे काही?
येस सर.
Yes, sir.
And then we will go to the next question. So now next question, it will be of prepositions. So first of all, we'll try to understand prepositions. So what are prepositions? It shows it's pre means before, and position. So position means place. So before what? So it usually comes before nouns. रिमेंबर, आपण आर्टिकल शिकलो. आर्टिकल कुठं वापरतो आपण? नाउनच्या अगोदरच वापरतो. आता आपण प्रेपोजिशन वापरणार आहोत. प्रेपोजिशन्स कुठे येणार आहे, कशाच्या अगोदर येणार आहे? नाउनच्या अगोदरच येणार आहे. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्युज बिटवीन प्रेपोजिशन्स, कंजंक्शन्स आणि आर्टिकल्स. बऱ्याच स्टुडंट्सला कन्फ्युजन असतं बघा. आर्टिकल, प्रेपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन यामध्ये फार गोंधळ उडतो. सो लेट इट शुड नॉट हॅपन विथ यू. आता हे प्रेपोजिशनचं यूज, why we people are going to use prepositions? का वापरायची preposition sentence मध्ये? Because if you don't use prepositions, we are not in position to understand the complete meaning of the sentence. And for that, I'm going to give one example. And you people will tell me, is it okay? We are playing the garden. The book is the table. What do you understand from this? मला अर्थ सांगा, मराठीतून सांगितलं तरी चालतं. We are playing the garden.
No, sir.
No, sir. Not meaningful.
Not meant.
येस देर इज सम मिनिंग बट नॉट कम्प्लीट मिनिंग, म्हणजे काहीच अर्थ लागत नाही असं नाही, थोडंफार असं कळतंय की वी आर प्लेइंग द गार्डन, सम मिनिंग यू आर गेटिंग but not complete sense. You're not getting complete sense here. So what is missing? Do you think that there is something is
In.
missing? And if it is
Preposition.
preposition
Yes.
is missing, so how you will make it meaningful?
We are
On.
playing
In the
we
garden.
are playing in the garden.
Okay, so this way you made it meaningful. We are playing in the garden. Similarly, you can make this
The book
sentence
is
also
on the table.
On.
The book is
On.
in the
The table.
on the table. So yes, all you people are right. So this way prepositions are used to connect the noun. Which noun? This garden. The garden, this is noun. And to connect this noun to this sentence, we are playing. या वाक्याशी जोडण्याचं काम कशामुळे झालं? या preposition मुळे, in मुळे झालं. So therefore we are playing in the garden. It gets complete sentence, meaningful sentence because of this article, sorry, preposition in. Okay. Similar with this, and so there are number of such prepositions: in, on, upon, into, over, under, above, beneath, below, across, behind. Okay, so when we people will learn it in detail, that time I will give list of all those prepositions with examples also. And another point I would like to tell you that some prepositions can be used to refer place and time also. म्हणजे prepositionचा अर्थ काही वेळेला ते टाइमला रेफर करतात, काही वेळेला प्लेसला पण रेफर करू शकतात. सेम preposition can be having different reference. For example, if I give example, we are at the office. Office is a place. Okay, office is a place, and at shows, at is preposition, so at shows the place here. And another example, if I write like this, we reached there at 6 o'clock. Here also will come to know at is used here, but now it is showing time. But same preposition at is there, which can be used for showing place, which can be used for showing time also. But it depends upon the sentence. It depends upon for which context we are using. So therefore, you people will understand that also. Okay, so I will make it clear and we'll discuss questions. Is it clear what preposition is and why do we use preposition? म्हणजे काय आणि आपण ते कशासाठी वापरतो इतकं कळालं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will make it clear and then we'll discuss questions. So questions are of two types in prepositions. Rewrite the following sentences using correct prepositions. So this type of questions will be: first, you have given one sentence, and in this sentence, you people are given with prepositions. Already you are with preposition, but that preposition is not correct preposition, and you people have to use correct preposition. So you can correct this sentence by using correct preposition, something like this. So the factories in Pune remain closed for Thursdays. This is not correct sentence. So how you are going to make it correct? You are going to say the factories in Pune remain closed on Thursdays. Okay, so on will be the correct preposition here, and that you people have to make it correct. But in test, if you are having test, so that time you people will be given options. Suppose the sentence is like this: the factories in Pune remain closed dash Thursdays, and below that you will be given option for, in, at, on. So you'll choose correct preposition on, something like this. Then next, number 2, what are you looking for suffixly? Okay, so for is given already, which is mentioned here, but this is not correct one. So what you will do, you will make it correct. And how it will be correct? We are looking, what are you looking at suffixly? Meaning is already given here. To look at, ज्या गोष्टीकडे पाहणे, एखाद्या गोष्टीकडे पाहणे, टक लावून पाहणे, या अर्थाने to look at. This is a phrase with preposition, you people use it. Then next, number 3, the farmers are tired from work. We don't say tired from, Correct is the farmers are tired of work. That you people will make it correct. And to be tired of म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीचा कंटाळा आहे या अर्थाने. Then next number 4, Kaveri is afraid with a dog. So we are saying Kaveri is afraid with a dog, which is not correct. So what is correct? Kaveri is afraid of a dog. Okay. So how prepositions can be changed? So another example I will give here, and you people will tell me correct preposition. Similar sentence I am going to mark here. Kaveri is playing. You people will tell me correct preposition for this.
Wait.
With, sir.
With.
With. Okay, yes, all right.
With.
So you people have to understand from this that Kaveri is afraid with a dog. This is not correct. But Kaveri is playing with a dog. That is correct one. So how prepositions can vary? It depends upon the sentence. If you read sentence, then you will come to know that how you can use it correctly. And you have to learn it. म्हणजे असं खूप सिंपल असतं तसं नाही preposition. कधी कधी they may be having some difficulty. So you need to practice them. You need to see more examples. आणि मग त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला
सर आपण तो पण वापरू शकतो ना तिथं.
कुठं
कावेरी इज अफ्रेड टू अ डॉग.
Kaveri is afraid to a dog. No, you cannot use to. Of will be correct. To may not be appropriate here. So you can't use to. Okay. So I will make it clear. Then let's go to the next number 5. So we have to listen for what our parents say. Okay. So when you are going to listen for, but correct phrase is listen to. Listen to teachers, listen to parents, listen to radio, listen to someone who is speaking, listen to speaker. So listen to is the correct preposition here. We have to listen to what our parents say. Then next number 6, there is no exception of this rule. It is not correct. We people say there is no exception to this rule. या नियमाला अपवाद नाही in Marathi. Then next number 7 says Tarun has an ambition to higher position. Instead of to higher position, we call it Tarun has an ambition for higher position. साठी higher position साठी जे आपण साठी जे म्हणतो ना च्यासाठी, that meaning is conveyed by this preposition for. Then next number 8, I am younger from my brother. So this is not correct. You people have to say I am younger than my brother. And here again, I would like to give one more example, and you people will tell me correct one. Which one is correct? 2 sentences. He is senior to me.
First.
He is senior than.
Second.
First is correct.
First.
Second.
Okay. So those who people are saying first one correct, that is correct. You don't use than. He is senior to me, junior to me, something like that. You people have to use and not than. So first one is correct. All you people take note of it. That saying than, it is incorrect in English. Okay. Fine. Then let's come to the next one. Number 9. The cashier was not on the counter. In Marathi, usually we call it counter वर म्हणतो आपण मराठीमध्ये. So वर साठी आपण on वापरतो म्हणून on the counter. This is the tendency that we people try to translate from mother tongue to English, which may make some mistakes. But in English, we don't call it on the counter, but the cashier was not at the counter. Okay. Then next, Number 10, Prince fell in the well. Ideally, you may think that this is right, Prince fell in the well, but you people have to think that Prince fell into the well. This will be the correct one. And why this is going to be correct? Because the verb fell or fall, this shows some movement.
Activity.
Yes, activity. Some action is there, in fact. If Prince is already there in the well, that time you can say Prince is in the well. अगोदरच वेल मध्ये असेल ना तर त्या केसमध्ये इन वापरलं जातं. कधी गोष्ट ऑलरेडी आतमध्ये असेल ना तर त्यासाठी इन वापरायचं. पण देर इज मुवमेंट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड. बाहेरून आतमध्ये असं ज्यावेळेस काहीतरी मुवमेंट दाखवते किंवा ज्यामध्ये ज्याला आपण ऍक्शन म्हणू. अँड फॉर दॅट पर्पज into will be used. So into will be correct one. Prince fell into the well. So this will be the correct answer. So I hope that I made it clear. कुणाला काही शंका असेल तर विचारा. Otherwise I will ask randomly. एक दोन तीन जणांना विचारू आपण. So let me know. Yash, roll number 15. Yash, is it audible? Are you getting my voice, Yash? Roll number 20, Atharv, are you connected? Roll number 26, Sunil, is it okay? Roll number 35, Saili, is my voice reaching to you?
Yes, sir.
See how people means from my end, I may consider that people are connected, but I'm not sure all students are listening to me because you're not in my control because you're attending it online. So from my end, I will consider that you people are having network issue. But from your end, what you're doing, I don't know. You may be just showing connection here. You see here that you're connected, but you may not be listening. Simultaneously, you might be doing other activities, watching TV, watching mobile, playing games. But by this way, you are going to make your own loss, not of someone else, but it will be your own loss. So let me check more people. Jeep 47, Ganesh, is it okay? Kedar, is it audible? 54. Roll number 71, Vaibhav. Roll number 56, Yashraj. Okay, so from that we come to know that how many people are attentive and how many people are connected. That will be fine. Okay, we'll continue. We can't wait for them. We can't ask them to pay attention by this mode, online mode. So those people who feel that this is need, this is important, this is going to help you to improve your English, not just for exam, marks तुम्ही कसे मिळवू शकता, but skills you cannot get anyhow. Remember, मार्क्स तुम्हाला कसे मिळू शकतील, 90% मार्क्स असू शकतील, पण तुम्हाला इंग्लिश बोलता येईल, that is not sure. So for that, you need to learn, you need to be active, you need to pay attention, you need to practice, and then only you'll be in position to speak it. Okay, all right. Let's go to the next type of question here. And here you people going to see fill in the blanks type of question is there for prepositions. So we'll consider this. One of our employees was affected dash labor policies of the government. So answer is by. And for this, you people can tell me or question whether this sentence is of active voice or passive voice. Is a sentence the first one? Active.
Passive voice, sir.
Passive voice.
Yes, it is a passive voice. And when we change any sentence into passive voice, that time we people use by something. For example, एक sentence जर मी लिहिला, so Rohit writes a letter, and when we make it passive, how do we make it?
A letter is written by
The letter is written by Rohit.
Written by Rohit.
Written. So here after written, what do we use?
By.
So by is preposition here, and then we people use something like this. So in this case also same happen. Why it is preposition by? Because this example of passive voice, and that's why in passive voice we use by for the agent, for the doer of action, who is doing some action. So Rohit is doing some action. So in this case, labor policies of the government, it is affecting some way. So therefore, we people are using preposition by here. Then next, the second one, the project manager will give his presentation next Monday. So it is showing time. So when you are going to talk about Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, something like this, that time people are going to use preposition on because it refers to the time. So we people use on. Okay. So therefore on next Monday. Then next one is the manager will hold the meeting from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So in this case, you people have to understand now that beginning and ending, both points have mentioned here. So what is beginning? That is 8:30. And closing or ending, it is 10:30. एखादी गोष्ट कधीपासून सुरू झाली and कधी संपलेली आहे. तर फॉर दॅट सुरुवातीसाठी आपण फ्रॉम वापरतो and जिथे शेवट होणार आहे त्यासाठी आपण टू वापरतो. So for that here from will be correct answer. So the manager will hold the meeting from 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay. Then let's go to the next one. Karan hid himself dash the sofa behind the sofa. Yes, when we play the game of hide and seek, usually we hide behind something. म्हणजे आपण शोधण्यासाठी असं काहीतरी आडोसा शोधत असतो. So usually because of that, it will be behind sofa. Some of you may say that why not under the sofa, but it will be correct to say under the sofa. But ideally there is no space to hide under the sofa. So therefore it is behind the sofa. Then next number 5 says Mr. Sharma received a letter from his daughter. मुलीकडून मिळालं पत्र. So मुलीकडून, कडून साठी जे आपण word आहे, for that we people are using preposition here from. Okay. Then next number 6, a man is known dash the company he keeps by the company. एखादी व्यक्ती कशावरून ओळखली जाते? For that we people are going to say कशावरून ओळखली जाते? By the company. त्याची संगत जी आहे त्या संगतीवरून, किंवा त्याची सोबत जी असते त्या सोबतीवरून. For that, so by it is going to show here that his company, त्याची कंपनी कशी आहे किंवा कंपनीसाठी जो आहे शब्द preposition ते by असणार आहे. Okay. The next number 7, again in number 7 you people tell me preposition by is used. Why it is used by? Because this example is of which voice?
Passive.
Passive voice. Okay, so this example is of also passive voice. That's why by the executive manager. The tender has been cancelled by the executive manager. Then next number 8, personal appearance plays a major role dash judging a person. In judging a person, एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं मूल्यमापन करण्यामध्ये मध्ये साठी जो शब्द आहे that is conveyed by this in. Okay, so that's why preposition in will be correct here. Then next one, it says the salesman is very good dash English. The salesman is very good at English. So here also you people may be having some question why it is not in English. So for that, whenever something, if it is good, so that time you people have to mention it by at. And if there some weak असेल, तर that time it is used by in. So let's see with the example. Something like this. जर एखाद्या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये चांगला असेल, गुड असेल, तर इट विल बी कन्वर्ड विथ प्रिपोजिशन ॲट. आणि जर एखाद्या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये वीक असेल, पुअर म्हणजे वीक या अर्थाने, so it will be indicated by preposition in. Okay, so here you cannot say in English the salesman is very good in English, don't say, but salesman is very good at English. And if someone is poor, someone is weak in any subject, that type he is weak in maths, he is weak in English, something like this. Okay, then next, number 10, the climate of Mahabaleshwar is conducive for health. So you can say of Mahabaleshwar. कुठलं क्लायमेट? महाबळेश्वरचं क्लायमेट. सो महाबळेश्वर हे नाव नाही, त्याला आपण पुढे काय लावतोय? च किंवा चे, महाबळेश्वर चे असं जर म्हटलं तर वरचं जे चे लावतो आपण पुढं, दॅट कॅन बी कन्वेड बाय दिस ऑफ. किंवा ऍट, यू कॅन से ऍट द क्लायमेट ऍट महाबळेश्वर. कुठलं क्लायमेट? ऍट महाबळेश्वर इज कंडुसिव्ह फॉर हेल्थ. कशासाठी? हेल्थसाठी. सो साठी हा शब्द तुम्ही जोडता की नाही पुढं, हेल्थसाठी किंवा आरोग्यासाठी जर तुम्ही म्हणत असाल तर आरोग्य हा शब्द आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी साठी पुढं जोडावं लागतं. सो फॉर दॅट यू पीपल आर कनेक्टिंग इट विथ फॉर. ओके, सो द क्लायमेट ऑफ महाबळेश्वर इज कंडुसिव्ह फॉर हेल्थ. Then next one, what does the government think global warming? So about global warming, okay, so when you are just mentioning it about global warming, कशाविषयी? about म्हणजे विषयी. कशाविषयी? ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग विषयी, जागतिक तापमान वाढीविषयी. what does the government think about global warming? Okay, so about will be preposition used here. You can use of also in this case. What does the government think of global warming? That can be okay. Okay, but usually people select most suitable option. Okay, so in the competitive exam sometimes you might be asked that one question might be related to articles, and you might have just given options, 3 options, 4 options you might have provided, and out of that 4 options you come to know that all 4 options seems to be true. चारीचे चारी ऑप्शन बरोबर आहेत असं वाटत असतं. बट इन दॅट केस यू पीपल नीड टू चूज द मोस्ट सुटेबल ऑप्शन. जास्तीत जास्त जवळचा किंवा जास्तीत जास्त करेक्ट ठरणारा, मोस्ट सुटेबल, मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन यू पीपल नीड टू चूज इन दॅट केस. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट नंबर 12, it says the directors did not agree his proposal, did not agree with his proposal. Okay, so you people have to think of this with his proposal. किंवा या संदर्भामध्ये आणखी एक एक्झाम्पल मी विचारणार आहे. माय फादर इज अँग्री विथ मी किंवा on me. So which one is correct one?
Second.
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 Yes, sir.
So all you people are say same answer. Second, my father is angry on me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, all you people are wrong. You don't say my father is angry on me, but you people have to say correct sentence that
At असतं ना.
it is with. My father is angry with me, not at, not on. आणि याचं कारण तुम्ही सगळं उत्तर जे सांगितलं हे ऑन का सांगितलं? कारण आपण मराठीमध्ये माझे वडील माझ्यावरती रागवले, माझ्यावरती म्हणतो, वर म्हटलं की आपण ऑन येतं आपल्याकडं, आणि म्हणून आपण काय म्हणतो की माय फादर इज अँग्री ऑन मी, बट इन इंग्लिश इट इज विथ मी. माय फादर इज
At पण वापरतात ना.
no,
Angry at.
no, we don't use, we use with me. My father is angry with me. We don't use at also. Okay, so you just take note of this, and then let's discuss next question. Number 13, we are dash the station. Okay, so you can say we are at the station, you can say we are near the station, we are in front of the station, you can see. Or now people tell me whether is it correct or incorrect. We are in the station. Is it correct or incorrect?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. So you people have to think. In Marathi we say आम्ही स्टेशन मध्ये आहोत असं म्हणू शकता तुम्ही. But in English you cannot say we are in the station.
No, sir.
You cannot say we are in the station. Okay. So for that you people have to say we are at the station. Just तुम्ही स्टेशन वरती असता. So that time you people have to say we are at the station. So there are some changes because though both are languages, Marathi and English madla thoda difference you people need to think and remember. And here is the last one. It says you are asked to refer to the previous document. म्हणजे previous document ला refer करणे. ला जो शब्द आपण वापरणार आहोत. So that will be conveyed by to. So you are asked to refer to the previous document. So that was all about prepositions. या डिस्कस केलेल्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये काय अडचण असेल तर यू मे आस्क. प्रेपोजिशन आपण नंतर शिकणार आहोत. कुणाला काय अडचण आहे का?
No, sir.
Okay, so meanwhile I want to confirm absent numbers. So let me know. Roll number 5 आहे का? Roll number 13. Roll number 15.
Present, sir.
Roll number 19. Roll number 21. 22.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
22. Who is
Present,
22? Okay, 22 is also there. 23. 25. Okay, 23 is also there. 25. 26.
24,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
24 you are there. 26.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 26 is also there. Then 28. 29. Then 32. 33. 34. 35.
Present, sir.
Okay. 37. 38.
Yes, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
Then 42.
Yes, sir.
45. 48. 50. 51.
Present, sir.
53. 54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
Then 58.
Yes, sir.
59.
Yes, sir.
60. 61. 64. 66.
Yes, sir.
66. Who is 66?
Yes, sir.
67. 68.
Yes, sir.
69.
Present, sir. आता सांगितलं एवढं माझं.
71.
Present, sir.
72. Okay. So absent numbers, confirm your number is not there in absent numbers. Roll number 5. roll number 13, 19, 25, 28, 29, 32, 33, 34, 37, 45, 48, 50, 53, 60, 61, 64, 67, 72. Okay. So with this, now we people will just close our class as time is up. But see, remaining notes or this question bank you people have to complete. And if there is any question, conjunctions are used to join two sentences, two words, two phrases, two clauses. So you will read here sentences that how it can be joined. It was raining heavily. So this is one sentence, and we cancelled our trip to Goa. This is another sentence. So what is relation between these two sentences? That is, one is result of another. एका गोष्टीचा परिणाम दुसऱ्या गोष्टीवरती आहे. म्हणजे काय, कशाचा परिणाम कशावरती आहे की रेनिंग हेविली असल्यामुळे ट्रिप कॅन्सल झालेली आहे. मग हे कसं दोन्ही वाक्य जोडायची असतील, हाऊ वी कॅन जॉइन इट. So people can choose different kind of conjunctions here. It was raining heavily, so we cancelled our trip to Goa. It was raining heavily, therefore we cancelled our trip to Goa. Or hence also you can use it. So accordingly people just prepare remaining examples, read it, and जर कुणाला काही शंका असेल तर you may just ask me. You can ask me on WhatsApp also if you have number. Then next question number 4, it is about verb. Verbच्या बाबतीमध्ये बघा की you people have to answer based on what the verb form you have given in bracket. जे क्रियापद ब्रॅकेट मध्ये दिलेलं आहे त्याच्यानुसार तुम्हाला योग्य तो टेन्स, योग्य ते क्रियापदाचं रूप तुम्हाला निवडायचं असतं. सो इथं बघा फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, when you arrive tonight we in bracket go out for dinner. Okay, in this case, how you people will mark this answer? की when you arrive tonight, ज्यावेळेस tonight म्हणतो तो tonight म्हणजे कधी येतं मला सांगा, प्रेझेंट मध्ये, पास्ट मध्ये की फ्युचर मध्ये? tonight
फ्युचर मध्ये.
yes, it will go in future. Okay, and if it is in future, पुढचं जे गो दिलेलं क्रियापद आहे त्या गोचा टेन्स आपल्याला फ्युचर टेन्स वापरायचा आहे, सिंपल फ्युचर करावं लागणार. मग सिंपल फ्युचर मध्ये कसं असतं बघा, shall will आणि क्रियापदाचं पहिलं रूप वापरतो आपण. यू कॅन से वी शॅल गो, और यू कॅन से वी विल गो आउट फॉर डिनर. आणि मग त्या पद्धतीने प्रत्येक वाक्य खालचे एक्झाम्पल बघितले तर तुम्हाला कुठला ना कुठला टेन्सचा असा हे दिलेला असतो, क्ल्यू दिलेला असतो. त्यानुसार आपल्याला काय करायचं, योग्य तो टेन्स सिलेक्ट करायचा असतो. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंगली प्रिपेअर दीज क्वेश्चन्स, अँड if you have any questions you may ask me. Maybe in next class we people try to discuss remaining questions also, and we will stop here. Is it okay?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So with this I will stop this sharing screen now, and with this I will end the meeting for all people. Okay, so thank you for joining today's class.